Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to your quick guide for connecting the incredible Huawei Watch 2025. You are just moments away from experiencing all its advanced features. We'll walk you through each step, making the process incredibly simple and stress-free. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to pair your watch to your smartphone, ensuring you can start enjoying its full potential immediately. Let's get your new device up and running smoothly. Before we dive into the connection process, a few quick checks will ensure everything goes smoothly. First, confirm your Huawei Watch 2025 has enough battery power. A full charge is always recommended. Next, please download and install the official Huawei Health app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Finally, ensure your phone's Bluetooth setting is switched on, as this is crucial for the watch and phone to find each other. With your watch charged and the app ready, it's time to start pairing. Power on your Huawei Watch 2025 and follow the on-screen prompts to select your desired language. Now, open the Huawei Health app on your smartphone. Look for the Devices tab, then tap Add Device or the plus icon to begin the search. Your phone will immediately start scanning for your new Huawei Watch, preparing for connection. Once your phone finds the watch, a pairing request will pop up on both devices. This is a critical step, so carefully check the 6-digit code displayed on your watch matches the one on your smartphone screen. If they align perfectly, tap Pair or Connect on your phone, then confirm on your watch to accept the connection. This final action securely links your two devices, completing the main setup. Congratulations! Your Huawei Watch 2025 is now successfully connected and perfectly synced with your smartphone. You can now fully explore all its amazing features, from comprehensive fitness tracking and sleep monitoring to receiving smart notifications directly on your wrist. Take some time to customize your watch faces and delve into the various settings within the Huawei Health app. Enjoy the convenience and power of your new smart companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.